What's up, y'all? In the shop today, customer complains of a intermittent, no crank, no start. It's been to the dealer, they couldn't figure it out. I've been beating my head up against the wall trying to figure this one out. So it doesn't set any codes, has plenty of power on the inside, will not start. So what I first saw that made me scratch my head. So down in here, let me see if I can get a better view of it. I started to see parts of the harness was wet. Where we go? There we go. Parts of the harness soaking wet. Couldn't find where it was leaking. And then ultimately found this solenoid right there was pushing oil through the connector all the way back to the PCM and was filling the PCM up with oil.